बैटरी भी इसका वो 80% ही है, तो लेके आया मैंने कहा इसके साथ डाल देंगे।
बैटरी का तो हेल्थ तो नहीं दिखाएगा आपको,
इसमें नहीं दिखाएगा?
नहीं दिखाएगा,
चलेगा,
अननोन बैटरी दिखाएगा, ठीक है ना। तो दिस इज एन iPhone 10s which a storekeeper has got. I mean, he's in mobile accessories business owner, so he got it to us. So he got the housing replaced somewhere else, so they haven't fixed the screws properly, and see, as you can see, this thing has been left, unfitted, and that is causing a problem. And also, there is some touch issue which is happening in this phone, so let's fix this, guys. Here is an iPhone 10s motherboard. So this is a classic example of the layering issue, the layering getting disturbed, and there is a slight bend in the motherboard which you may not be able to see with the naked eye or in the camera, but I'll show you under the microscope the difference. So as I always tell you, there are 3 layers in your motherboard. Layer 1 is about the processing unit, the bottom layer is radio frequency unit, and the middle layer is joining both. So let me show you on the microscope. See, if you can see here, the lead is visible, so we'll go a little upwards, and as you can see here, balls are not visible, the lead balls. So there is a slight gap in this motherboard. Hope you can see. Yeah, now it's clearly visible. I'm zooming in, so the connectivity is visible under the microscopes. So this is the problem, guys. This is the reason this iPhone 10s is having a touch issue. So you should understand when this issue is there. So I'll also show you the other side of the motherboard for your understanding. So as you can see here, also there is no visibility of any lead or balls. So there is not even a slight gap. It's closely packed. So this is the reason your phone will have a touch issue, or any other network issue or something. Whenever you're dropping your phone from like from first floor or second floor, or any other greater impact similar to that. So this iPhone 10s motherboard which I was showing you under the microscope, so there are the minute gaps which are not visible here. Alright, so this is an heating platform we use to join the motherboards and separate the motherboards. Let's try joining the motherboard. So we have placed the motherboard on the heating platform. So the temperature is 265 degrees, and we'll be using this flux to melt the current one, join this thing. So this will smoothen the process. Apart from that, nothing this will do. So we are not putting any more new lead or something like that. So this is the basic stuff what we do before going for the next level repair. So now after we have relaid the motherboard, we have rejoined the motherboard. As you can see, the same thing which is flawlessly done, and there are no gaps, 0 gaps present. And we will test if the touch is working fine or not, and we'll have a look at this side as well. So this side is also very perfect and clean. So let's check this now. So the phone is being powered on now. So let's see if the touch is working or not. So this was a morning task for us today. It's working perfectly all right. So what is the passcode? All zeros. Now it's working solidly all right. So the Face ID module is here, so the Face ID is not being detected. भैया कैसा फील कर रहे हो? आपके सामने रिपेयर हो गया?
नहीं, अच्छा हो गया।
अच्छा हो गया?
हाँ, अच्छा हो गया।
आपको क्या लगा था आने से पहले?
मुश्किल लगा थोड़ा, लेकिन आपने कर दिया
भैया। थैंक्स लॉट। मतलब छोटा सा इशू था आपका ही, मतलब इसमें भी है कि आपने बताया कि ये प्रेस करने से काम कर रहा है।
हाँ।
तो आपका इन्फॉर्मेशन भी हमारे लिए बहुत हेल्पफुल रहा ये फ़ोन को फिक्स करने में।
अच्छा ना।
सो whenever you guys give us the right information to fix a phone, we can do that. Thanks a lot for watching this video from YouTube. वो स्पेयर में आ जाता था।
हाँ, वो यूज तो कर सकते थे थोड़े दिन के लिए।
Exactly.
नहीं तो वो immediately नया लाना पड़ा।
समझा मैं। So guys, this phone is ready and touch is fully functional, and also the client was having an audio issue which is also resolved after this frame resoldering or something we usually call rejoining. So yeah, so it has been resolved. So customer is quite happy with this repair, and this all has been done in 2 hours. See, it's not possible always to fix it instantly, but majority of the times we try and help you with an instant fix. But do not force us to do this, because sometimes repairs do take long, so long. Thanks a lot.